नमस्कार, लाइव इंडिया न्यूज़ 24 में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं मार्मिया और हमारे साथ हैं आईआर टीम के डायरेक्टर मोनिका कुलश्रेष्ठ मैम। आइए जानते हैं जिस प्रकार से मैनेजमेंट और आईटी को लेकर यहाँ पर कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रहा है, क्या कुछ संदेश देना चाहते हैं मैम? आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Thank you so much for coming here. We conduct conference every year, and this year the topic that we have taken is how we can integrate the technology with innovation, as we have the courses on IT and management both, and the teachers and the students will benefit from that. And AI has creeped in our life, taken us back. So let us be prepared for it. How this can be used in the classroom teaching, and how they can benefit this use of the IT in a constructive manner. That is the whole purpose of this conference.
जी, खास करके कौन-कौन से गेस्ट थे और क्या कुछ उन्होंने संदेश दिया?
Yeah, a wonderful guest we had today. So we had one, the chief guest was Kaustubh Rajput, who is director from the mines and the ministry, and a young boy, but he emphasized more on using the technology but giving a human touch to it. So that he spoke, and he involved the students also. So we had a wonderful session from him. Another, we had the guest of honor was Mr. From PhD Chambers, and he spoke about how the big data, and this is used from the economic perspective in the agriculture sector, and how it is going to be benefiting for us and in the point of view from the research. And then we had Mr. Patnaik from the corporate, and he talked about the AI, and he said, let's be assured that they are not going to remove you from the class, so we should be happy that the robots will not replace the teachers. So teachers will be there, but yes, how to constructively use the AI का use कैसे है, that is very important. So good deliberations that we have, and we had a madam coming from the Ontario University. She joined online. She was talking about the use of AI in the recruitment process and how it is replacing the men there, and the pros and cons of both. And the second session will be the paper presentation. So just after this break, we'll have those deliberations.
आईआर टीम का क्या कुछ भविष्य की योजना है, फ्यूचर्स प्लानिंग्स क्या है इसका?
We want to make this our degree as a terminal degree, because we have UG programs. So we want our students to excel and join corporate and bring laurels to us. Not only they should excel in the field of knowledge, but we would like to give them the right value system. That is what is missing in the society. So we would like to make them first of all a good human being. So we are emphasizing on it.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। या दोस्तों, तो ये थे हमारे साथ मोनिका कुलश्रेष्ठ मैम, जो खास बता रहे थे कि छात्रों में नैतिक मूल्य की अवधारणा हो और नैतिक मूल्य से वो आगे बढ़ें, इसी को ध्यान में रखकर आईआईटीएम आगे बढ़ रहा है। हेमेंद्र प्रसाद मानवेंद्र, नमस्कार।
देश विदेश की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से अपडेट रहने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाएं, ताकि सभी खबरों से आप और आपके जानने वाले रह सके अपडेट।